Time for some Monday birthdays across the 4 states, and we begin with a belated birthday going out to Henry Bush in Pittsburgh, celebrating birthday number 1 on Friday. Happy birthday, Henry.
Right, Aurora June celebrating birthday number 5 this year in Thayer, Kansas. Happy birthday, love coming to Junebug from Dad, Mom, and the J-Boys.
And we've got Canton Bugney celebrating birthday number 8 in Pittsburgh. Hey, very happy birthday to you, Canton.
In Columbus, Lucas Natalini turning 9 years old. Looks like he's a winner there. Happy birthday, Lucas.
And another Friday birthday coming to us from Pittsburgh in Bryson Pitts, celebrating birthday number 9. Happy belated birthday, Bryson.
All right, and happy birthday going out to Elizabeth Falk, who's 9 years old now in Pittsburgh.
And we've got Nyali Baldwin celebrating birthday number 15 in Oswego. Very happy birthday to you.
All right, and Tristan Johnston celebrating birthday number 18 this year. Happy birthday to Tristan in Oswego.
And Bram Bourne celebrating birthday number 19 in Girard. Very happy birthday to you.
All right, and we've got a Nashville resident, formerly from Frontenac, Kansas, Miss Maggie Evans, who's now 26 years old.
And Tristan Nesbitt celebrating birthday number 26 with love from Dad, Dana, and the family.
All right, in Girard, Patricia Greenwood turning 33 years old.
And Jennifer Westervelt in Columbus celebrating a birthday today. Happy birthday, Jennifer.
Larry Chambers turning 40 this year in Arma, Kansas.
And Peggy Coble celebrating a birthday in Columbus. Happy birthday, Peggy.
All right, Sean Brown turning the big 6-0 this year in Pittsburgh. Birthday wishes coming from brother, dad, and grandpa, and these are his granddaughters in the photo.
And we've got Craig Giacometti celebrating birthday number 69 in Frontenac. Happy birthday, Craig.
All right, and Joe Herman turning 71 years old this year. Happy birthday from the grandkids, Minnie, Evie, Ty, Brody, and Dylan.
And Dolly Robinson celebrating a Sunday birthday in Columbus. A very happy birthday to you, Dolly.
Good picture there of Dolly. And let's see, there right in the front, Mr. Don Myers celebrating birthday number 104 this year. Hope it's a wonderful one out in Carthage.
Incredible milestone there, Don. Happy birthday. And this list, boy, what a good one it is. It continues with Addison Stevens celebrating a birthday. Happy birthday, Addison.
Mickey Alexander in Erie, Kansas. Happy birthday, Mickey.
Lisa Alsop celebrating birthday number 63, our neighboring Crestline. Happy birthday, Lisa.
And Anita Quinn in Webb City. A belated birthday wish going out to you.
And last but not least, Harold Westoff celebrating birthday number 65 in St. Paul. Happy birthday to everyone on this incredible list. We want to keep it incredible. Tanya, where do these folks need to keep sending these things to?
All they have to do is send it to this email. Don't forget the S on birthdays here. birthdays@koamnewsnow.com.
And of course, while you're on our website checking out all the really cool things it has to offer, make sure you take time to sign up for the KOAM Birthday Club. You get great deals from local businesses. You also get a special birthday message from your friends here at KOAM. So just head over to koamnewsnow.com and sign up for that birthday club today.